at the very last step of your third subtopic. So we are getting ready to wrap this up and move on. I am so excited, so excited, so excited. And you're done most of the work. You're almost 3/4 of the way done with this whole entire just rough drafting process. So awesome. Let's take a look here. So you know the drill. You've done this twice before, so nothing I say here should become as an absolute surprise. Guess what? You need to take all the facts you just researched and take each chunk of facts and transition into the next chunk of fact. So, I'm sure you'll be able to tell that I'm going to have you pick 3 transition phrases and plop them in the green boxes, and that will tie each idea to the next idea, moving nice and smooth through the whole process. So, without further ado, can you please pick 3 transition phrases, plop them in the green boxes, make sure they go in order from first to last, from the beginning to the end. However you need to have that said, it needs to go in order, serialized, from top to bottom, bottom to top, left to right, right to left, however you need it to go. All right, so I'm going to pick my transition phrases, plop those in there, and then we will take a look. To start with, comma. So let's see how that looked here. I'm going to scroll over here. To start with, okay, so I will be covering the history of guppies. To start with, okay, so that works for it. Plus, and, furthermore, whoopsies, totally messed that up. Furthermore, okay, so now let's take a look and see how this reads. Just in general, it doesn't have to be perfect. We could smooth it out later. I am going to be covering the history of guppies. To start with, the person that found the guppy fish, according to Wikipedia.com, is Robert Ledmore Leckmere Guppy. Mr. Guppy found the little fish in Trinidad in 1966. The guppy fish was named after this man. I should change that from fish to fish. The guppy fish, I'm going to change it there, make sure that the guppy fish, not fished. So if you have to change something in the green boxes, and it'll change it down further. The guppy fish was named after this man. Plus, the fish is a tropical fish. It comes from South America. You can find the fish in lakes and rivers in the wild. www.worldencyclopedia.com tells us the fish can be found in the following countries: Barbados, Brazil, Guyana, Netherlands, Antilles, Trinidad, Tobago, Venezuela. Furthermore, guppies were used in different countries to help control mosquitoes. The guppy fish would eat the mosquito larvae in the water before the mosquito could fly. Female guppies like male guppies with lots of colors, so female guppies will pick the fanciest looking male, and then you will get very colorful little fish. All right, so basically, I'm telling you all about the history of the guppies. How did the guppies come about? That sort of stuff. So, transitions, phrases, facts, they all have to be tied together. And that is what these 3 subtopic paragraphs try to help you think about. All right, so again, you are working through, so the subtopic should take you, each subtopic should either take you a day, 2, or perhaps maybe 2 days to work through, because you're researching your facts. Again, if you're taking longer than 2 days to do each subtopic, we have a problem, and I need to meet with you because of the fact that you only have a small amount of a window of time to be able to get to your rough draft. Okay, each step should take roughly, especially the longest ones are going to be your subtopics. Subtopic 1, 2, and 3. That's where the big chunk of your time should take. So we're moving on, moving up. Let's go. See you soon.